everyone, Chibai. So I've been told that most of the Kaipeng people would prefer English. English? So, first of all, to all my Kaipeng people, I was told that it is getting late. But I wanted to be here with you. And is there any, Priya, इसके बाद कोई program है? Program है? There is program? Culture. So I don't want to leave this village now.
Hello.
मैं इस गांव को छोड़ना नहीं चाहता हूँ. I want to be in this village. I want to see the cultural program. You want to translate?
Irenpa itiha cultural dance ngay amat itirinin himamon hi atharang tunong khaiming ati serang nom khaiming amnokrang king nom ati law enrang ri nan phammo.
Somebody told me today, Rengpa, come for 2 minutes and then go. I said no. I want to come to the Kaipeng village and spend at least 1 hour or 2 hours with my Kaipeng people.
Luka marin kay rilatia 2 minute ring kay lilaw hong mangpuira ati hankom ay Rengpa ay ni didrinin at didramurang kin 2 minutes ring am naning ati am kiti program han ni hong mangpui kiti hong kiti ay nilaw ti pega zang mo phama am ay Rengpa ha zang may ni ati nan phamo unaw ngay.
Rengpa believes in Thansa. You call it Munkhat. Because in the end, Kamal Koloy, Pathan, Lal Jamatia, or Omnik Kaipeng. We call it Bukung Bara, you call it Narbung, but we are all brothers and sisters. So, Munkhat, you don't have to explain, I will say that. Munkhat, Thansa, for the community is more important than Munkhat in politics. I don't believe in politics. I believe in community, Dopha. And for me, Kaipeng may be only 10,000 people. But you are a part of our Tiprasa culture. You want to say that? Kaipeng may be only 10,000, but you're a part of our Tiprasa culture.
Kaipeng ha sangsom kabaw nan law zangkhom Tiprasa din nan law zangay ni law tia.
Finally, we have one mission, one goal. Land is one, Pathien is one. And if Kaipeng, Jamatia, Koloy, Deb Burma, all the Tiprasas become one, Munkhat, then one day in our own land we will rule our state of Tripura.
Ay Rengpa di dan ha ay ningay ha adang dang namdang ay chong raang achang makhom ni ka ha ay ningay ha Munkhat law chang reiti one nation law chang reiti ay ni law ti pig Zaprong law ben ra unaw ngay munkin ay chang nung ta zang may zal ra ra ti tinatak chung.
We are first Tiprasa, we are Bukung Bara or Narbung. We are not going to be divided as Kaipeng, Jamatia, Koloy. We are not going to be divided as Hindu or Christian. We are the son of the soil, Hani Busa, and as the son of the soil, I will always respect you and your people.
Ay ningay ha narbong ngay Bukung Bara tinaha imo narbong ngay ay ningay ha aturing hima ay mun ay ha ay zaka ha ay nisut thay ngay ni ka ha ay ringkin Munkhat la chang reiti ay nilaw ti peka.
We may be Hindus or Christians, but first we are the indigenous people of Tripura.
Hindu khom chang reiti, Christian khom chang reiti, han khom ai ni ngai ha. Indigenous people of Tripura ai ta ai nam ha a chang.
And the day we become one, we will win.
Mun khat ai chang nong ni ka le ni ka hi nam tom te ai chang khom la rat reiti tini nai ni lo ril pek.
Because we did not have Munkhat. You agree? Because we did not have Munkhat, we are suffering. But today, we must have Munkhat because we have to worry about your generation, the next generation of our people.
Mun khat ai chang magrinin avani ha ireng le chuk men. Mun khat ai chang kale ha ai ni adang dang lardom reiti adang generation ai now ai tu ai te an generation ha anung la len reiti mun khat ai chang nong hi.
My Samajpati, the headman, the head of the Kaiping community, I want to honor him today by giving a seng. This has been a tradition that my grandfather, his father, or my ancestors have been doing, and I want to continue this tradition.
Avani ha ai reng pa ti kaden ai rai rang ha seng khandai ha lo pe ati hamaha man la ya ta kapungai chungata an lo pe greenin kai ma khom zai hama lo zui rang kin ka lo no ma lo ti hamari nin ai kai ping rai rang ha seng lo pe ati atun khandai lo pe ati.
My grandfather Maharaja Bir Bikram used to do this for 50-60 years. We have not done it, but I am starting this tradition of honoring our Rai.
Ai Maharaja Apu Bir Bikram lo pe greenin hamakhom atun ai Maharaja ha continue lo changati khandai ape kele ha rankin lo pau reiti. Endo hi mahi ai ren pa ni lo pek khandai ni lo pek hi pa ka pha ma oma
And finally, we say, Kamal aapne bola Tiprasa Ayuk Lokthong, but in Kaiping language, because we have to honor every language, right?
yes.
We have to respect every language, whether it is Kaiping, Molsom, Rangkhol, Chorai, Ranglong. We have to respect every language.
Respect anian murang naha respect anian murang naha ai chungin kai ping chungin halo thora nga nom rinin atun ai ring pa ha adam sort sa ai ni lo te pegati ai ni ngai lo te raiti.
So, Kamal Koloi, aapne bola Ayuk Lokthong, but I know in Kaiping language it is
Adam sort sa
called Adam Sodasa.
lo te raiti
Kaiping community Adam Dosa. Kaiping community Adam Sodasa. No, थोड़ा जोर से बोलना पड़ेगा.
ring te raiti una ngai
Kaiping community Adam Sodasa. Adam Sodasa. See, this is called Munkhat. I learned Adam Sodasa. You all are saying Ayuk Lokthong. That is the spirit of Narbung, Bukungbara, Hani Busa, the son of the soil. I love you. What do you say? I love you in.
nani ki
Nani Kidi, I love you. And Rengpa will always fight for you. I don't want anything. I am going to be with you and I will stand with you. God bless you. Do you all say John Hai also? John Hay. Good night.